request our chief guest, His Lordship, Mr. Madan B. Loku, to address the gathering.
Guest of honor for today, Mr. Krishna Rao, Mr. Murthy, the principal of the school, the Additional Director General of Police, Honorable Mr. Justice Raghuram, all the dignitaries over here, including Ms. Aditi, the parents and the students, and of course the teachers of the school. It's indeed a very happy occasion to be here to participate in this annual day celebrations. I must congratulate the students and the teachers for putting up such a fantastic show today. The program was excellent, the costumes were excellent, the music was excellent, the dialogue delivery was excellent, the acting was excellent. Overall, I think it was a first-rate program, and congratulations to the students who have put in so much of hard work for this, and for the teachers who have guided them for today's program. I think one of the key words that was said earlier in the day by Mr. Murthy was involvement. It is important for everybody to be involved in the activities of the school. I remember when I was in school, the principal of my school was a very eminent person. He was later on nominated by the Honorable President of India as a member of the Rajya Sabha. He was perhaps the first educationist to be nominated as a member of the Rajya Sabha. He used to tell us all the time that even if you're not actively participating in a program, you must be involved in the program. You may not be acting in a play, but you should be there by the stage, if nothing else, for doing the lights or for encouraging the children who are participating in the play. If you're not a good sportsman, you should be there to cheer the others who are sportsmen. Whatever activity you're doing, if you're successful in it, very good. If you're not successful in it, it doesn't matter. You should remain involved and cheer the others who are doing so well. So I think it's very important that involvement is absolutely necessary in whatever activity that is being performed in the school. Today, I think you have gone a step further from involvement. There has been active participation, I think, by almost every student in the school. Certainly by every class, if not every section of the school. I think the school management ought to be congratulated for that. The principal ought to be congratulated for that, because it is this kind of active participation which I think gives the school its reputation and encourages others to follow suit. I know that academics today is important. And over the last maybe 20 or 25 years, there has been a far great emphasis on academics. But I think we need to look at other things as well. There have been changes, there have been developments. It used to be said many years ago that you spare the rod and spoil the child. Today it is no longer true. One of the things that happens is that people blame a lack of discipline on not being able to inflict corporal punishment on students. I'm not sure whether that is correct, but these are all very debatable issues. There are changes, and we are going to have changes again with the introduction of the Right to Education Act and its implementation all over the country. I think in this regard, all the parents must cooperate with the school, and I think the school also must cooperate with the parents. The other day I was hearing a TV program, and the teachers said that, well, the parents are to blame if there is a lack of discipline, and the parents said the teachers are to blame if there is a lack of discipline. This sort of a blame game, I think, cannot go on, and it is certainly not conducive to a school environment. I think the teachers and the students, of course, and more importantly, the parents of the students must be equally involved in the activities of the school. I am glad to see that there are so many parents here today, and it shows that they have a commitment to the school. They have a desire to actively participate in the activities of the school. I have no doubt that if this continues for the next couple of years, your school will certainly be one of the better schools in the country. I think one of the very important things that the school is encouraging is globalization. Today, we find that we are getting narrower and narrower in our field of vision. If you watch TV programs, if you watch the news, it's all about India. It's less about foreign countries. If you watch the news of some of the foreign countries, some of the channels belonging to foreign countries, you will perhaps get a better global view of what is happening. I think your school is doing a good job by giving this global feeling to the children. It certainly broadens the mind, it certainly broadens the vision. I have no doubt that if this continues, you will have students who will have a world view, not only in academics, but also in curricular activities and other cultural activities. All in all, I must say that you are doing an excellent job over here. It's a very good mixture of academics, cultural activities, and a global vision. I don't think any student can expect more in life. So congratulations to all of you, to all the students and to all the parents and to all the teachers for putting up a very glorious performance. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Really an inspiring and motivating speech. Now we request Shri Maganti Narasimha Murthy Garu, the founder of Arka Education Society and the Executive Vice Chairman, to felicitate our chief guest, His Lordship Justice Shri Madan Bhimrao Lokur Garu. Thank you very much, sir.